Hi guys, welcome back. Let's continue with SAP automation and create our first test case, which is a create sales order. Okay, first let me show you the manual flow. Okay, how we create a sales order in SAP. Okay, so once we log into SAP, you will see this screen. Okay, and we have to create one sales order. Okay, so there is a command. Okay, instead of selecting this, okay, you can type command here. Okay, slash nva01. Okay, once you give the command, just click on enter. You will see create sales order initial screen. Okay, so here we have to provide few values. Okay, so order type, like we can provide or. Okay, this all this data whatever I am entering, this is taken from the SAP course we have in the with in Tricentis Academy. Okay, so this is not a random data I'm entering. So this is the same data you will see in the course SAP course, which is available in Tricentis Academy portal. Okay, so sales organization we have to give here. Okay, you can give 1000. Okay, then distribution channel 12 and division 00. Okay, after providing this input, we have to click on enter again. Okay, you will see one more screen, which is a overview screen. In that we have to enter the sold to party. Okay, 1175. Okay, then ship to party 1175 and PO number 123. Okay, after entering this value, there is a table. You can see all items table. So we have to enter one item here. Let me give item as 2, material as M-08, order quantity is 2, and um, unit is ST. Okay, after giving unit, okay, we have to just click on um, enter. Okay, once we enter, okay, then we have to navigate to this menu, go to, and then header, and then sales. Okay, after going to sales, just provide one future date in document date. Okay, so let me give as here 2. Okay, once after that, just click on save. Once you click on save, you will see order number here, standard order 1119785 has been saved. Okay, so this is the flow which we will see today. Okay, if video which we will see today. Okay, the video might be long. Okay, because I have to scan all this module. Okay, I wanted to scan in front of you, that's why I have not scanned it and kept. Okay, so we'll scan and then we will automate this flow. Okay, let me go back. Okay, let me go back here, and so this is the screen. Okay, from here we have to enter here. Okay, the code, this is the code we have to enter here, and then we have to click on enter. So in the previous video, already I told about this toolbar. Okay, so we are going to use the toolbar module. Okay, let me first jump to Tosca, and the test case I have already created, create sales order. Okay, so I will use this log on as well as login. Okay, step from here, log on and login. After that, we have to use toolbar to enter the transaction type, and then click on enter. So we'll drag and drop this toolbar. We'll just name it enter transaction code. Okay, and press enter. Okay, so transaction code is slash, let me copy it, and then we have to click on enter. Okay, let's test this module. Okay, so it entered successfully, and we move to create sales order initial screen. Okay, now in this screen we need few controls. Okay, we have to scan all these controls. Okay, order type, okay, and sales organization, then distribution channel, and then division. Okay, so let me quickly scan that. The Tosca is slow today. Okay, so there is a SAP folder which I have created in the last session, and we just created one toolbar module. Okay, let's go to application, then select this screen. Okay, and click OK. I mean, sorry, scan. Now click on select on screen and select whatever control you want: order type, sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, let me just save it. Okay, and finish this screen. Okay, we'll scan the next page as well. Okay, order type OR, sales organization. 1 second. 1000, distribution channel 12, and division 00. Okay, after that we have to give enter. From this screen we need sold to party, ship to party, as well as PO number. Okay, and then we have to scan this table. Okay, so my scan window is already open. Okay, no need to close and open again. So you can, after scanning one page, you can just click on finish scan. Okay, finish screen. After that you can again scan the new page. Okay, so again select on screen, sold to party, ship to party, PO number, and we need this table. Okay, 1 second. We need this table, all item, save it. Okay, we'll see content preview part later. Finish the screen. Okay, and we need one more control in the next page. Okay, so let me give the value, input values, and 1 second, it's too slow. Just give 1 2 3, and then item 2, material M08, quantity 2, ST. Okay, then give enter. Okay, after that navigate to header and sales. We need this document date. Okay, we'll scan that. Either you can select from here, okay, if you are comfortable to select from here, or else you can click on select on a screen and you can select your control. Now the document date, okay, save it and close. Okay, so whatever modules we required we have scanned already. Now we'll use that modules. Okay, so we have sales order initial screens, create a standard order overview, okay, and we have standard order header data where we have to give the document date. Okay, so here sold to party, ship to party, PO number. Okay, the PO number should be after ship to party, so you can drag and drop. Okay, and here order type, sales organization, distribution channel, division. Okay, so all fine, we are done with the scanning. Okay, now we want to okay, we have to start from here, so let me drag and drop the module sales order initial screen. So we have to give order type as OR, sales organization we have to give 1000, distribution channel 12, and division OR, sorry, 00. Okay, after that we have to click on enter button. Okay, so for that we have a toolbar available, so just copy and paste here, and this time we don't need this transaction code edit box, we need only enter button. Okay, so these two steps, okay, let me just run this two step. We are in the correct page in the SAP. So entered the data and clicked on enter, and we navigated to a create standard order overview page. Okay, here we need to provide sold to party, ship to party, PO number, as well as we need to provide data in the table. Okay, so let's provide it. Here enter transaction not required, directly we need press enter. Okay, now we need next module create standard order overview. Let me drag and drop. Here we need to provide sold to party 1175 1175 and PO number 123. After that we have to enter data in the table. So you can when you work with table, either you can use $1 to enter in the first row, or else you can use #2 as well. Okay, because if you use #1 it will refer to header. Okay, either you use #2 or $1. You can see $1 here. Okay, and cell, which cells we want item. Okay, item, then we have material, and then we have quantity, and then we have unit. Okay, I don't want to verify, we want to input, so just change it to input. Item we need to enter as 2, material M08, order quantity 2, and unit ST. Okay, let me once check here. Material and let me copy paste. Okay, there it's correct. Correct. Okay, after entering this detail in the table, again we have to um, click on enter button. Okay, so again we'll copy paste here, press enter. Okay, let's run this step. So data is entered and it clicked on enter button. Okay, the test case is passed. Now we have to navigate to go to header and then sales. Okay, so in the previous session I showed how to work with menu items. Okay, so let me drag and drop module tbox sorry SAP menu. Okay, drag and drop here. So we will use the second approach which I told. Okay, we'll mention in the same route um, that menu bar. We have to navigate to go to. Okay, there is no space and T is small. Go to, then arrow and header and sales. Okay, header and sales. Okay, let's navigate. So we navigated to header data page. Okay, from here we need to enter the document date on one future date. Okay, so we have already scanned that module. Let me drag and drop that module. Standard order header data. Okay, we'll give enter future date. So we'll, instead of hard code, we'll use date function here, and we'll just give plus 1 day from the base date. Okay, you can give 1 day, 2 day. Okay, and let's translate and see. It's giving tomorrow's date. Okay, after that we have to click, after entering the date we have to click on save button. Okay, so again we'll use the same SAP toolbar. This time we'll press save. Save. Okay, let's run this two step. So change the date and clicked on save. Now our order is saved here. Okay, we need to capture this order because we are going to use that order number in later sessions. Okay, so we have to capture this order number from the status bar. This is called status bar. So for that we have one module available. Okay, which is status bar. Okay, SAP status bar. This module also we saw in the last session. So message type is success. Okay, that we have to verify and we have to capture. Okay, inner text. I have to capture inner text and success message. Okay, will buffer. Let's run this. So test step is passed. Let's check. Buffer with success message has been saved to value order number. Okay, so whatever text we saw, that we have buffered. So there are two ways, okay, to buffer. Like we have buffered success message. Okay, we have got the message. From there we can extract the order number. Okay, which is one extra step. But if you want to capture in the same step, you can use like this. Just give the text, and instead of uh, the order number, which is dynamic, you can use xb of order number. Okay, and give action mode as verify. Okay, now you run step again. So this time what will happen, this verification is success, and in the buffer order number, okay, there is spelling mistake, that is fine. Anyhow, this is a buffer. Okay, so in this buffer our order number will be saved. So you can click on tools, buffer viewer, and you can see this buffer name order number, it got saved, whatever order number we had. Okay, so this way, in the same step, you can verify as well as you can buffer. Okay, so successfully we have navigated to two pages, and whatever flow I showed manually, that we were able to perform using the inbuilt module as well as the newly scanned modules which I scanned in front of you. Okay, so this is the flow we wanted to see today. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's run the whole test case together. Okay, let me close SAP. Okay, and we'll run the whole test case. The execution will be fast here. Now it will navigate to header data, then it will change the date, clicked on save, and it will capture the order number. Okay, so our test case is passed. You can expand and you can check the steps. Okay, The verification was successful and the order number would have been saved in the buffer order number. Okay. I showed the complete flow for sales order here because I didn't want it to show in bits and pieces. Okay, so if video is bit long, then just bear with me. Okay, yeah, that's all for today's session, guys. Request you to go and you practice by yourself after seeing the video. Then you will get some confidence. Okay, yeah, thank you. Bye bye.